Hey YouTubers, I'm JJ World and I'm doing a video on replacing a O2 sensor on a 2015 Audi Allroad. So it's A4 and it's a B8.5 I believe model number. So my check engine light is stating that I have a bank 1 sensor 2 error code. So I'm just gonna show you where bank 1 is first of all, and also where the sensor 1 and sensor 2 is. And I'll just move over here and switch over. So we're talking about a 2.0 liter turbo, and here's my catalytic converter. So this is on the passenger side, so North American vehicle. So this is what I'm pointing at is sensor 1, that's pre-cat, and sensor 2 is in the back here. You can see it right in the back there, and I'm just going to point to it. Not getting good lighting there, but it's right in the back there. And that's what they call the post-cat, or after the catalytic converter. So what I did is, the tools that you need is basically, I purchased this 3-piece kit here for 22 millimeter, because that's the size of the bolt that's on the O2 sensor on both sensors 1 and 2. So you'll definitely need for sure, you know, a breaker bar, kind of like a bending ratchet here, and a screwdriver to pull the connection off. And what I did the night before is I also kind of sprayed some liquid wrench there to loosen it up a bit. And the unit that I purchased is also from Amazon, and this is the Bosch model, and it's 16002. And if you just put that in the search engine, Bosch 16002, and what comes in the package, of course, is this catalytic or this oxygen sensor. And it looks like some adapters here, and pretty sure I'm not going to need it, but we'll see how it goes. So here's my Audi. Yeah, it's a nifty little unit here I use for skiing. So first thing you do is, of course, you need to get access to that sensor number 2, is to remove this cover. Put that to the side and put this connection together. I just gotta pause here a bit because I gotta put my tools all together. So I figured the best option would be this gadget here, 22 millimeter with my bending ratchet. And we'll give this a shot. So I figured the best access point would be from the top. So this is the end of the of my ratchet, and it's already attached to the O2 sensor down below, down there. Can't see it, it's pretty dark over there. So just grabbing a breaker bar, putting it up onto that. There, I think I got it. So, you can see it back there. Looks like I got it there, so So I've loosened it up. There it is. Now I could get it with my hand. Okay, it's out. Okay, so we just traced the line, and it looks like it just comes together and attaches to here. This is kind of like a little funky little attachment here, but it looks like this little unit here doesn't really do too much. What I use is I just press this button here and use a screwdriver to kind of loosen everything up on that side. And once I've already loosened it with the screwdriver, so let me just pull this out here. There, looks like it's out. So we'll just trace that back, take it out. And there's the old unit. So what I'll do here is just kind of put it side by side with the other one. Let's see how it looks. So it looks like it's the same end. That matches. It's a tad bit longer, but that's okay. It's alright. It'll work. Put it back on. Take the plastic tab off. So yeah, let me just check again, see if it's a match. Yeah, looks like it's the same one. You can see the older one's a little bit messed up there, so little buildup of oil, carbon, whatever. So I'll put this back together. Reverse order. Let me just tighten it up first inside. There it is. So I'm going to tighten the O2 sensor here. So I've got that socket gadget and my two-way ratchet, and I've got my bar here to do my tightening. Not too sure what the torque spec is with this, but I'm just gonna tighten this till I feel it tight as much as what it was when I pulled it out. I think that's good. Connect the sensor back. So it does match without having to add any adapters, so I'm going straight ahead and do a connection on here. I can only do it with, I need my two hands. Yeah, so the O2 sensor is on, and I just put a little tie strap here for the extra wire that came with the new O2 sensor. So what I'll do is I'll probably add another tie strap to this hose here and make sure everything's all stable. And that should do it. And I'll put some information on what I've ordered on the comments below. And hope you enjoyed this video.